For another update, let's take a look at kaspa over here. This is what I think is going to happen with kaspa. We swept these lows over here. You see how we swept this low with this wick? We even swept this external range. And usually when you see very violent moves like that, in which you have an established range and then you sweep that low. So when you sweep the low of that established range, you're likely to see a very violent push to the upside. Now that violent push will either be a rejection or just a partial decline before continuation higher. Okay, so it would be something like that. Like this. And this is exactly what we see with this wick here. You see how we came down towards the 88.6% fib? When we take a fib from this low over here, the selling climax on November 24th, or the spring, up to this high, it would be this high right here. Up to this high on December 8th. You see how we wigged down to the 886? So it's either we see a push up here, but if we lose the 886 at 0.1106, then it's very likely that we're going to see a sweep of this macro range low right here. This range low right here. You can also call this a Darvis box. Now, what the Darvis box theory is that whenever you're at the highs and you form a range, so let's say the price of the ticker went up, it had its huge run and parabolic advance, you tend to see ranges at the highs, but you're likely going to see one last push above those range highs, and then you would come down for your distribution, right? So I think that we have something very similar on our hands with kaspa. When we take a fib from this high over here on July 31st down to this low here on November 7th, we can see here that the 1.618 is at 27 cents, which would be 127% gain, and the 2.618 is 212%. We can take a look at the 3.618 and the 4.236 as well. Okay, so it's about a moderate gain compared to the rest of the altcoin market, and that makes sense, right? Because this coin has already went up a lot. But yeah, this is what I think. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.